Mr. Mohammad Bashar, an alumnus of the BCA batch 2007 to 2010, presently serving as Enterprise Business Head at Fursan and Private Limited. We invite him to come forward.
Thank you everyone. So usually जब कॉलेज में होते थे और कोई अच्छा सिंगर या अच्छा गिटारिस्ट होता था, so we used to feel like ये हमसे नहीं आता है. And कोर्स का एक 5% इसलिए भी होता था कि कोई अच्छा परफॉर्म करता था स्टेज पे. But thank you very much for coming, inviting us. My name is Mashad and I've been here for 2007 to 2013. So technology का contribution PC किया था, मैंने उसमें MBA. So management department ज़्यादा टाइम गुजरा था. So I'm a techie as a sales guy. So called me yesterday, said कि you share your experience and then tell them few takeaways, few learnings. It's been more than 14-15 years. I'm still figuring it out कि कैसे ये होगा. But I tell you a small journey of mine, and then I can tell you 3 takeaways. What is important for you guys who are in the final year actually. जो first year में हैं, अभी बहुत टाइम याद कर लो, आपसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Okay, so after my MBA, I've been working with Samsung India for a year in the retail sector, and then I convinced one guy from UAE that I'm working on some idea, and it is amazing. I'm going to be blessed. And then I invested 50 lakh in my idea. I was 22, 23 years old and I got 50 lakh in my hand. Now, till that journey, सबको समझ में आ रहा था. Once you got the money, you don't know what to do with that. And that happened with me too. I started working on that idea. I developed an app. Thank you very much. A graduate of BC developed an app. And then I ran that organization for 3 years. Invested my 8 lakhs too. So when I was 27 years old, I was in debt of 26 lakh because that I did not work very well. And I moved back to the organization on the business profession, and now I'm heading a business B2B enterprise solution for a company where I am responsible to sell SaaS-based solutions, end-to-end managed services to India market and UAE. And this is what I've been doing for the last 7-8 years. Now there's no debt, I repaid everything. But the point is, there are 3 takeaways which I like. One, if anybody is thinking of innovation, technology, want to develop an app, मैं अपना business करूँगा, want to become a Mark Zuckerberg, good. Go somewhere, learn from the best. This is what we did not do actually. Go in the market, young people who are in the market already, spend good 4-5 years in the organization, learn how they are working. There is no shame in learning, even after you are topper of the class. One. Second, I was an average student. I think we got 70, 7.5 CGPA or something. Second thing I learned, I was not a singer too. I didn't know how to play guitar. Now, what I thought of it, then I thought of it, how to do this too. One thing is, skills are learnable. They are always. If you don't know anything today, you will learn it tomorrow. It doesn't matter whatever or whomsoever is doing it that way. But the one thing which cannot be replaceable, which will make you perfect, the second takeaway is consistency. If you are doing something, do it every day. You will get internships. सारी internship भी मिलती है पहले साल में, किसी को job नहीं मिलता. And internships are very demotivational. Please go every day. 2. Second, when it comes to skill again, अभी नजर भाई यहाँ पे ये मेरे 1 साल पीछे आगे रहे होंगे, तो 2010 का पास आउट हुआ. आगे थे सर, आगे थे सर, सिंगर है. So I am. Then I thought of it again, कुछ और personal होने चाहिए. So from last 1 year, I am performing on stand-up. So this is what I do every Sunday. So there are shows happening in Delhi NCR, and there are some tour to local India as well. So whatever you like, whatever your hobby is, उसको करो. And third, I started as an engineer. I started working in the retail market, then B2C. I've been a trainer for my 6-7 years of my life. Now I'm doing business sales B2B. So career change कभी भी हो सकता है. It's completely okay. If you're an MC, you can sell a product. That's not a problem at all. Thank you very much. That's my time. लास्ट थिंग और दोस्त जो नहीं आए हैं उनके शायद हालात ऐसे हैं कि इतना शदीद गम था हमें रोजगार का तो हसीन शख्स भी बुलाना पड़ा ये वो लोग नहीं जो लोग यहाँ नहीं आए थैंक यू
Mr. Arif Mohammed from the MC batch 2008 to 2011, currently associated with IBM India Private Limited as a DevOps lead. We welcome him on stage.